Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time, and now we're living in the time of a pandemic. Man, who would have thought at the beginning of this year we'd be living through this? I have to say, this 2-week isolation period has actually worked in my favor because apparently the germs from this C19, they don't last longer than, I think, 3 days on stainless steel. So by the time someone comes to pick up the guitar 2 weeks later, everybody's safe. I am doing the social distancing thing. Lance dropped off this guitar today for a refret, Takamine guitar for a refret. I'll be filming that. Yeah, I basically stood back from the door, asked him to set it on the floor, and the social distancing thing, as it turns out, is something I've done anyway. I mean, it's not like I stand 8 feet away from customers on a regular basis, but as far as the timelines go between finishing the repair and by the time they come to pick it up, well, any trace of that virus will be gone. Enough about C19, let's get back to guitars. So what we have here is a 62 Southern Jumbo with a brand new top on it, and I'm just getting ready to heat up some hide glue because I have 2 necks to glue on with hide glue, dovetail with hide glue. So there's this 62 Southern Jumbo, 61 Gretsch, Chet Atkins. So the dovetail on this was never very good to begin with from the factory. There was all kinds of shims in there, and it's been on and off and on and off. I spent hours on this just to get it absolutely perfect. So all of the critical angles have been adjusted. So if you've ever had to reset a dovetail on a guitar that the original dovetail wasn't quite done right, it becomes abundantly clear why all of the modern manufacturers have gone to a butt joint with a couple of fasteners. It takes a tremendous amount of skill and time to make sure that all of these possible variations on the neck angle are perfect. It can be nothing short of perfect. The reason the neck was taken off was because it had pulled up. So I've got that little glue pot kind of hanging off of my knuckle vise. We've got this all ready to go. The neck has been on and off multiple times. We're ready to actually clamp this into place. We're gonna got that up to the right temperature. A little dab will do you here. Make sure we got lots of. Don't want to starve the joint like they did previously. So make sure we got lots of glue in there. So it's only the actual dovetail that you put the glue on. Don't smear it everywhere. It's just on the, you just put it on the matching male and female dovetail. That's all you need. Okay, so I'll just kind of push it in by hand, first of all. And then, it doesn't take a lot of clamping pressure. It's about the mechanical fit. It's not about how much glue, and it's not about how much pressure. It's about getting a beautiful mechanical fit on that male to female joint. That's it. Happy with that. So all of those previously mentioned neck to body angles are perfect. We'll let that set overnight, and we can put the rest of the frets in tomorrow.